Hi friend, welcome to my channel Interview Crackers. Today I have started the new Angular series Angular 9 with Firebase Cloud Data Storage. So in this series we have covered the all project from the scratch. In this project we have covered these all point. Step 1, how to create a Angular 9 project. In this project we have learned how to install the Angular 9 app in local storage. Then we have go our second step, how to creating a Firebase project and Firebase store database in a Angular 9 app. So in this app we have installed the Firebase module in the Angular 9 app, how to Firebase use in Angular 9 app, and how to connect the Firebase module in the Angular 9 app. So in second step we have covered the all Firebase project and Firebase database combined. So in next third step, how we can use how to installing and adding Firebase in Angular 9 project. So in this project we have create a environment.ts file for the connect the Firebase database. So if we can add the some data in an Angular 9 app, so this is stored in the Firebase cloud. So in third step we have defined the Angular 9 storage database. So next step 4, we learn how to create a Angular 9 model. Model means we can define the schema of the Firebase cloud database. So in fourth step we have defined the how to use model in Firebase Angular 9 app. And next step Angular 5 we have learned sorry in next step 5 we have learned how to create a service. Service is a HTTP request from send the data Angular 9 to Firebase database cloud. So in this step we have learned how to create a service. In next six step we have learned how to create a component and covered that it is a CRUD operation for on the Firebase cloud database. And last step we can use and learn how to hosting and deploy the app on Firebase cloud. So this is a full project series. In all series we have covered the all points, how to CRUD operation perform, how to store the data on the cloud database, how to deploy and hosting on the Firebase. So please stay tuned and wait my next video. Thank you.